What's the meaning of clubbing? Clubbing. Clubbing.
Clubbing. Clubbing. Clubbing typically refers to the act of going to nightclubs or similar social venues where people gather to dance, listen to music and socialize. The result of clubbing can vary depending on individual preferences and experiences, but it often involves a lively atmosphere, loud music, dancing, drinks, and socializing with friends or meeting new people. Some people enjoy the adrenaline rush and excitement that comes with clubbing, while others may find it overwhelming or prefer quieter activities. Overall, clubbing is a popular activity for those looking for a lively and social nightlife experience.